Hi everyone, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about analysis and what it means to analyze a cultural artifact. So in your English 101T class, your next paper will ask you to analyze something. It might be something like an advertisement, it could be something a bit more personal to you, but whatever the case that your instructor asks you to analyze, the thing that you want to keep in mind is that when we analyze something, we want to walk away from our paper. We want a reader to walk away from our paper saying, oh, I never thought of it that way before. Because that's our job in an analysis, is to look a little deeper into not just what the artifact says, but how it says it and the different appeals that it uses to the audience and to the reader in order to make that statement. And so one of the ways that we talk about analysis is through the use of advertisements. And so I've attached an advertisement to this course page, and I'm just curious, as you look at that advertisement, when I ask you what else does this ad sell, how would you be able to answer that question? Of course it sells a product. We know that it's an advertisement for a deodorant or a soap, right? Dove Beauty. But what else is it selling? Well, in this particular case, it's selling a really positive message about body image and about how we approach the topic of beauty. And as we're sort of looking through a magazine, we might not get that right away. But again, if we analyze the ad, we analyze the graphics, so what are the people in the advertisement doing, what do their facial expressions look like, what are they wearing, what colors do we see throughout the ad, etc. And then we also look at the text of the ad, so what slogans are used, what phrases are used, etc. We can walk away with an understanding, an argument really, of what else this ad is selling. And I don't mean selling literally as in like a product, but in terms of what viewpoint or what idea is it trying to impose on us as readers. And as you'll see from different ads, sometimes those are positive messages, sometimes they're very negative messages. And when we stop to think about that, I think it's really useful for us to question, why is it that advertisers tell us what to believe and tell us what to value? In this case, it's a positive thing, right? Inclusivity and judging people not by how they look, but by how they treat people, things like that. That's a positive message, but I bet it would not take you very long to find some more negative advertisements that maybe on the surface appear to be innocuous or innocent, but as you look through them a little deeper and you look at some of the language used, what is the ad promising, and can it really deliver on that promise when the stakes are, this one product can change your life? If you've ever seen a Swiffer commercial or something like that, a lot of times the cleaning or makeup commercials or advertisements will promise a lot more than they can really deliver, and that poses some problems for us as a culture and a society when we try to navigate, well, what do we believe and what should we question? So that's really, even if your English 101 teacher is not having you analyze an ad, in a nutshell, that's what you'll be doing. You'll be looking a little bit more closely at an artifact, whatever that might be, and asking yourself, well, how can I let my reader say, oh, I never thought of it that way before? That's kind of a simple, watered-down version of how we approach how we approach analysis. And the reading for this week should help you with that as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.